Mornings. Lily, it's 7 a.m.
Time to do my chores.
On summer vacation, girls still like to wake up early so they can get all of their work done.
That's better.
Great job, Lily. The house is looking great so far. Boys, on the other hand, love to sleep in since there's no more school.
Well, I can sleep a little longer.
Whatever you say, Max.
Alright, time for a good workout.
Lily loves to get a good workout done in the morning to stay active. And Max, he is still sound asleep.
Alright,
Lily loves being so productive. You go, girl. Get that summer body.
alright. Finally done, I can relax.
And after sleeping in, Max has his games waiting for him.
I guess I can get up now. Time for some games.
Watching movies. Get your popcorn ready. For Max, scary movies are so interesting and even funny. But for Lily...
Hey Lily, you want some popcorn?
Okay.
That's right, Lily. Distract yourself with the popcorn. Don't look at the screen.
Lily, this is my favorite part. Whoa, Lily, calm down. It's just a movie. It's okay. Let's just watch your movie next.
Okay. Looks like Lily got what she wanted after all. Taking pictures.
Happy anniversary, my love.
Aww, wow, I love cupcakes. Thank you, Max.
Let's take some pictures.
Boys just want to take a quick
Okay,
picture,
let's take a selfie.
but
Awesome.
Can I see you?
Oh yeah.
You need to take better pictures. Here, let me show you.
Lily wants everything to be so fancy and color coordinated. Now to get that perfect angle.
Perfect. So much better. Okay, now for the selfies. Come here.
Okay.
Sit up straight. Tilt your head a little bit.
Can we eat the cupcakes yet?
Just one more. This needs to be perfect.
Girls are so picky about pictures. Sleepovers. Hey, I'm ready for the sleepover.
Joyce, come sit down with me.
Okay. Wow, you have so much makeup and the colors are so pretty.
Ready to do makeovers?
Yes, thank you. Girl sleepovers are always bubbly and girly.
Max, I brought some snacks. Just in time. Woo! Yeah!
Boys like to watch sports together.
Max, bro, get some chips. Yeah.
But don't worry about the mess.
Max, don't waste the chips, bro. Oh no.
Your friend will take care of it. Girls watch that movies.
That was the ending? I can't believe they didn't end up together.
I know. And it was still so beautiful.
And the dog died too.
But they will comfort each other after.
Whoa, Max, did you see that? Huh? Max?
Already tired, Max?
This is the perfect time to troll Max.
For what, Tony? What is Tony planning? Oh no! Max fell for it.
I got you so bad. What? Cheeto dust.
Looks like Tony is having way too much fun at the sleepover. Eating together.
Here's your salad, and here's your pizza. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
Those fries look so good. But eating healthy will help you get your summer body.
Is the salad bad? Here, try some fries.
No, I'm okay.
Come on, Lily. One fry won't hurt.
Actually, I'll take one.
Girls, they have to eat carefully to not ruin their lipstick. But boys, they don't care about the mess. They just want to enjoy their food.
I'm so full. How's your food, Lily?
It's good, Max.
Okay, take your time.
Looks like you have to wait, Max. Paying.
Hi, we just finished.
Okay, your total's $31.50.
Don't worry, Max. I'll pay this time.
Oh, thanks, Lily.
Girls always have so much random stuff in their purse. It's gotta be somewhere, Lily.
Hold on, guys. I'll find it.
Did you pack your entire room in your purse?
Where is it?
Here you go.
Okay, thanks. Give me 1 second. Here's your change.
I found it.
Lily, don't worry. I already paid for it, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How embarrassing. I need to tidy up more.
Hey everyone, did you guys like the video? Which one was your favorite? Can you relate to any?
Comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Did you say action?
Hey, what da. Let us know what you. Can you relate to any? And she cut me off.
Yeah.